Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start while the machine is idle. Unplug it for safety and raise the presser foot so tension discs open. Feed the new spool onto the pin and lead the thread through the same guides. This preserves tension. Once done, pull 4 to 6 inches of tail toward the needle and make sure the thread path follows the marked guides. That's why tension behaves predictably. Now lower the presser foot slightly to seat the thread and prepare to draw up the bobbin thread. You continue by drawing up the bobbin thread. Hold the top thread tail and turn the handwheel slowly 1/4 turn to lower, and then raise the needle so the bobbin loop appears. Gently pull the top thread to bring a 1/2 to 1 inch loop to the surface. This locks both threads and prevents snarls. Once the threads sit neatly, rehoop scrap fabric, plug in the machine, and run a short test stitch to confirm tension and color placement are correct. You finish by running 2 to 3 securing stitches and then trimming thread tails close to the fabric to prevent snagging. If you notice looping, skipped stitches, or frequent breaks, stop. Make sure the thread is seated in tension discs, the needle is correct and undamaged, and the bobbin is wound evenly. A quick swap of the needle or a slight tension adjustment usually solves it. Test again on scrap to confirm before resuming the main project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.